Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honored when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience, like this. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing, "We've done a great job," as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. But don't take their word for it. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Simply contact the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.